Hey everyone, Shannon here with My Tennessee Home Solution, and I wanted to talk about our Concierge Listing Service and why it might be the better option for you when it comes to selling your home. Traditional listings have been the norm for a long time, but as the market changes, so do the options available to homeowners. And with our Concierge Listing Service, we wanted to address some of the limitations of conventional listings. Here's why this innovative service might be the better choice for you. We guarantee your price with no closing costs or fees. A key advantage of My Tennessee Home Solutions Concierge Listing Service is the guarantee of a net price for your home. Unlike traditional listings where you might spend time negotiating with potential buyers, this service ensures that you know exactly what you're getting with no hidden or additional fees or costs. This assurance allows you to prepare financially for the future with much greater certainty. No out-of-pocket repair costs. Repairing and updating a home to make it market ready can be costly and time-consuming. In traditional sale, this expense often falls on you. With our Concierge Listing Service, all repair costs are covered by us. We handle repairs and negotiate any buyer-requested fixes, so you don't have to worry about dipping into your savings or managing the repair process yourself. Flexibility with your needs. Selling a home is often more complicated by timing issues, from coordinating showings to managing unexpected delays. The Concierge Listing Service offers much-needed flexibility, accommodating your schedule and personal circumstances. So, whether you need a quick sale or a bit more time to get your next home in order, we work with you to ensure the sale aligns with your needs. And lastly, expert team support. The home selling process involves a lot of moving parts. Repairs, negotiations, mountains of paperwork, and these moving parts can leave you feeling in a bind if your listing agent isn't meeting your expectations. My Tennessee Home Solutions Concierge Listing Service provides a team of trusted experts who handle all these details from you, from managing repairs to handling negotiations and ensuring that all the paperwork is completed correctly on your behalf. Our team takes care of everything. This means you can avoid the common pitfalls of selling a home and focus on other aspects of your life, knowing that experienced professionals are taking care of the sale. So for homeowners seeking a simpler, more predictable selling experience, who want more predictability and control, the Concierge Listing Service is a standout option. At My Tennessee Home Solution, we know it's more than just selling your home. It's about doing so in a way that fits your needs and ensures a smooth transition to the next chapter of your life.